In this video, I'll show you how to compare two Excel sheets and find differences. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So I have these two sheets where the data is almost same except some cells, like this is 104 and here 102. So some of cells are different from the first sheet and we are going to compare them. So how to find out the difference? So first of all, select the whole data. Then here we need to click on the home tab, and here we have the option for conditional formatting. So just open it and here click on new rule. Then go to the option use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then here type equal to sign. Now select the reference. So this is the first column reference, or this is the reference which we need to give. So just select it, and now here we need to remove this dollar signs. For that you can just use your mouse and just hit backspace. Just like this, you can just remove the dollar signs. Once you do that, type here not equal to signs from your keyboard, just like this. Now locate to the sheet where you want to compare this data. So this is the sheet, so I'll again give this reference. Now again remove this dollar signs by using your mouse and backspace. Once you do that, here we have the option for format. So just click here, and now here in the fill section we need to select any color you want, because this color will highlight the differences. So let's suppose I choose this color. Click on OK, again click on OK, and yeah, you can see the differences are now highlighted. Like this is 102, here 104. So that's how you can do that. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.